Hello, welcome again to Hogs Cards. I've got here one of these 10s of the 2015-16 Upper Deck Series 1 that we're going to open today. I don't know much about hockey, but we're going to give it a shot, so let's see what we get. We have an NHL Winter Classic Jumbo card, if you can see that. So, there's that. And here's our packs. And all I'll be showing you today is the Young Guns and the hits and the inserts. So let's get started. First pack. First pack, we got a jersey. Ben Bishop. That's pretty cool. I really do have to learn more about hockey. I'm in a state that's close to the Columbus, where we have the Columbus Blue Jackets. Colin Miller, Young Gun. I think I heard him say there was 3 of these in Young Guns in this 10. Okay. Mike Fisher, Upper Deck Canvas. Next pack. Just Base. Okay, next pack. Another pack, just Base. Another pack. Let's see, here's something. Rick Nash, Upper Deck Portraits. That's pretty cool. Next pack. This box was 30 bucks, and I get I think 14 packs in here, 12 plus 2. So that's about $2.50 a pack. That's not too bad. Young Guns, Kevin Fiala. Pretty cool. Upper Deck Canvas, Marian Hossa. Chicago Blackhawks. Next pack. Shining Stars, Marc-Andre Fleury. Awesome. Next pack. Young Gun. Ronald Kenneth. Got 2 packs left. Thank you for checking out my video once again. Trying to get one of these loaded up every week so we open another product. Trying to get some of the 2015 Bowman Draft in. Upper Deck Portraits. Last pack. Hope everyone had a good Christmas. We did here. Okay, just basing that. Quick recap. Johnny Gaudreau. Young Guns. Marc-Andre Fleury, Shining Stars. Marian Hossa, Upper Deck Canvas. Kevin Fiala, Young Guns. Rick Nash, Upper Deck Portraits. Kevin Fisher, Upper Deck Canvas. Colin Miller, Young Guns, Boston Bruins. And Upper Deck Game Jersey, Ben Bishop. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.